Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this DIY, I want to talk about the beauty of glass. We never really talk about glass as being bling alone. I think that glass alone can qualify as being bling. Now, I have some Goodwill finds and some Dollar Tree purchases that I'm going to put together and create 3 beautiful apothecary jars. So we have these 3 different size and shaped candle holders. Large, medium, small. Here I have my cylinder vases. Small, medium, large. Now here's a taper candle holder that I found at Dollar Tree a while back. Here's the skew. I purchased 3 of these, and when I seen them I was like, I gotta do something with those. Again, I didn't know what, but I knew I had to do something. Alright, so since we are making apothecary jars, we need lids. So I knew I had to go in Dollar Tree and look around and try and figure out what to use as a lid, because I had a vision in mind. I wanted to make sure that the lid was made out of glass. I could have easily used some type of cardboard and create a lid like I've done before in the past. But this time, I wanted to show you guys the beauty of glass alone. So, I saw these, and I looked at the lid, and I was hoping that it would fit. So I walked around and picked up a cylinder vase to see if it would fit. And it's almost a perfect fit. Look at that. So I figure, you know, we'll give it a try. If we remove this, then it might fit perfectly. So let's see. Look at that. That's a good fit. Now it works. So the thing to do now is to remove the wire. And to remove the wire, you simply just hold it here and pull. Just like that. And there you have a lid. Now, look at that circle right there in the center. So, look at this. Almost a perfect fit. It was meant to be. So I'm going to glue this on top, okay? I'm going to take my shorter candle holder and glue it to the shorter cylinder vase. And I went ahead and cleaned these already, so let me just go ahead and break out my Gorilla Glue. So I'm just going to put some right around the top. Ooh, isn't that fancy? Alright, let's put that there. So now, on to the medium size. Okay, now we have number 2. Finally, we have number 3. So for these 2 pieces, I'm going to clean these off with alcohol, remove this, come back, and then glue these 2 pieces together. Okay guys, I'm back. I've cleaned my lid, and I've cleaned my taper candle holder. Look how pretty that is without the tape on the bottom. Look at that, it's really pretty. It's a nice piece. I showed it to my friend Linda, and she was like, it looks like a shot glass. So if you guys can't find this, go to Goodwill. They have shot glasses all of the time, so you can use a shot glass if you can't find this. So shout out to Linda for that. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is just put some glue around the top of here. And now just glue this right in the center of that circle. Okay, so let me say this. Whenever I use Gorilla Glue, I'll come in periodically and check the pieces, because while the glue is setting up, the 2 pieces will tend to slide sometimes. Now you can also use a little bit of hot glue to help hold it in place. I didn't want to use hot glue with this particular project because I'm showing you guys the beauty of glass alone. And when hot glue dries, it dries cloudy, even when you use the really clear sticks. So I'm just going to come in periodically and check my pieces to make sure that they are all still in the center. Okay, so I went ahead and glued these together ahead of time. So we have our lids and we have our jars. So I'm going to let everything dry, come back and then show you what it looks like. Okay guys, I'm back with DIY number 2. As you see here, I have more glass. I have a candle holder that I picked up from a thrift store called America's Thrift Store. And here's the price, $2.99. And of course, there were 2 of them and I thought they were really, really nice. I like the shape of them. They're really smooth and they look high end. Now, same store, I found 2 of these. And these were only $1.99 each. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut this off and then clean these really well because there's some type of debris on here, some sticky stuff. So I'm going to clean that up really well, come back and move on to the next step. Okay guys, I'm back. And as you can see, I've cleaned both pieces. They are super sparkly now. Okay, so I'm just going to flip this over because now we are going to glue these 2 pieces together. So again, I'm going to use my Gorilla Glue and go right around the rim of the candle holder. So now I'll go ahead and sit this right in the center. So now all I need to do is allow the glue to completely set up and we will be done. So I'll be back and then put it on display and give you some ideas. And here's my completed DIYs. And I think the glass alone, without any extra bling, is absolutely beautiful. Now, if you feel like you need to add something to these DIYs, here's a couple of ideas on how you can decorate your vases. Again, this is just a couple of ways that you can decorate these jars. But I'm sure you guys can come up with other ways. You can look at some of my past DIYs and get ideas. It's totally up to you. Okay everyone, this concludes my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.